Okay, everybody, so we started off all of these drawing lessons with proportions of the face lesson, and you remember it because the proportions work like this. There's a midline that starts from the top of your head and goes to your chin. That divides our face up into two areas of symmetry. Whatever's on the left will also happen on the right. Halfway down that midline is a horizontal line that our eyes rest on. And then halfway below that is our nose line. And then about a third of the way down from that is our mouth line. So we went over these before. Now here's where the interesting part comes. In our next drawing, we're going to put 5 eyeballs across the eye line. There are circles. Remember how we drew circles to create the drawings of an eye? Well, your eyes, the proportions are exactly such that your eyeballs fill up your eye line. You can fit 5 eyeballs onto your eye line. So we actually have an invisible eyeball between our 2 eyes. You can see it right there on the crosshair of the 2 proportion lines. That's the space between your 2 eyes. So the ball to the left and the ball to the right are your actual eyeballs that we're going to develop into the eyes in our drawing. So why don't you put the pupils on those, and then, and then you circle those eyes so that we can see the irises as well. Next, you're going to drop a line down from the iris all the way down to the mouth line. The pupil, all the way down to the mouth line from either eye. And then the point at which that center eyeball touches the eye to the left and the eye to the right, you're going to drop lines down to the nose line. Then you can develop your eyes by giving them eyelids and making it look more realistic. Then what you would do is erase those extra circles that show you where the invisible eyes are. The center lines that drop down from the corners of the eyes show us exactly where the nose fits. Those lines, if you looked in a mirror, from the corner of your eye, go right down to the outside edge of your nostril pouches. Those little curves on either side of your nostril line up perfectly with the corners of your eyes. So you're going to draw a nose into that space. Then the lines that drop down from your pupils go straight down to the mouth line and become the corners of the mouth. So then what you want to do is develop the mouth in that area. Then you can add some eyebrows. Remember, the eyebrows go up over your eye sockets. And then you will have completed a drawing of a human face in proportion. And then you can add all the beautiful details that you've learned how to draw.